How to share products in Temu. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can share the products. First of all, open the application. Now here on the top at the search bar, search for the product. Here I've chosen one. Now simply tap on the product. So as you can see, this is the product that I have chosen. Now here on the right top, you'll be able to see the share icon. Simply tap on the share icon. So this is the section where you can share the product. Now you can directly copy the link, or you can even share it through other social media platforms. So if you swipe right, there are many options available. So the best way is just by copying the link and sharing it wherever you want to. Now a link will be created, and the one who will receive the link will be opened in Temu application. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.